Welcome to the channel. It's 5,376 miles on an FLHTK 2017, the first year of the Milwaukee 8 engine. 107 CI cubic inches. Lower fairing, engine guard with the radiator as well, making this a lot more liquid cooled than typical Ultra Limiteds. We have the ABS line, LED passing lights and headlight, dual Brembo brakes in the front, as well as the highway pegs. The floorboards are standard and a heel shift has been added. I love that myself. We also have the heated grips here with this dial. The hand controls for the infotainment system, voice commands, turn signals, cruise control, high beams, horn, a phone holder, a cup holder, and a hydraulic clutch. These are really cool. These are easily, I don't know who it's made by. It says PSR on here. These can be modified to different distances for an easy clutch, and it is also on the front brake modifications. Extended all the way out with those long fingers. Otherwise, you're working at about this distance. You see the difference. And that's the same way with the front brake as well. We have the security system with 2 fobs and 2 keys here, locking the forks and the saddlebags. Saddlebag guard and passenger pegs are available. We also have a tender for the heated gear and a button for the heated seats that has been installed manually. Tour pack is back here with the lounge and the tour rack as well. Basically, this is a beautiful bike to tour the state or nation with. It's the frame is a lot more rigid to handle these larger bumps cross country. Give us a ring, stop on by, give this bad boy a test ride, or like, subscribe, and comment to learn more about this beautiful bike. FLHTK from 2017. Thanks so much.